Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and swatching video of my Rossi nails order. This is a starter kit. It will come with a powder and the liquids. The powder I got is number 16 Sweetheart. It's a nice bright pink color. It also came with liquids including base, activator, and top coat. Alright, now I'm going to swatch. I apply my base coat to my swatch stick. I actually really like this base coat. It seems nice and thin and doesn't dry too quickly. I then dip it into my powder. It seems like a nice smooth powder and I really love the color. To save some time, I'm going to skip showing you, but I dip 2 more times into the powder, brushing off in between. I activate and then buff the swatch. I then applied 2 coats of Rossi's top coat. It dried really fast and I actually really like this top coat. It seems very shiny.